Number 1.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $4,500. This truck has 132,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior, both of which are reported to be in outstanding shape. The exterior and interior are described as being in 10/10 excellent condition, reflecting careful ownership. The air conditioning blows cold, making it comfortable to drive in warmer weather. The tires are in excellent condition, and the truck is ready for daily driving or work use. It starts right up, and the V6 engine runs strong, indicating dependable performance. The long bed configuration also makes it practical for hauling and work-related tasks. While the well-kept interior adds to the truck's overall appeal, this 1999 Dodge Dakota is a clean, reliable pickup with strong mechanical performance, a well-preserved interior, and a solid exterior, making it a great option for someone looking for a dependable midsize truck.
Number 2.
1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,000, rust-free California pickup with 165,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It features a burgundy exterior and matching burgundy interior, and rides on 6 Lugfoos aluminum magwheels, giving the truck a classic yet sporty look. Owned by its third owner, it comes with a clear California title, pink slip, in the owner's name. The truck is described as being in good overall condition and ready for work or play. Recent maintenance includes a new catalytic converter and muffler, and it has passed a recent smog inspection. The door hinge bushings have been rebuilt with new bushing and pin kits, and both the inner and outer door handles have been replaced. Some typical wear is present for its age. The AC is currently low on Freon, the driver's front seat shows wear, and there are minor scratches and small dents around the body.
Number 3.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $7,000. It comes with a clean title in hand, runs great, and features a clean, well-maintained body. The vehicle has passed smog and is valid through 2027, making it ready for the road without immediate concerns. This Ranger is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. Performance and stance have been upgraded with 31x 10.5 or 15 milestar Patagonia M/T tires that still have about 80% tread life remaining, along with a 3-inch lift kit using rough country and 2.0 shocks in the front and rear. The audio system has also been improved, featuring a Kenwood head unit, Morel speakers, and a Rockford Fosgate subwoofer with amplifier.
Number 4.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,500. With 262,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is equipped with a durable 3.4L V6 engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic and reliable driving experience. The exterior is finished in red, complemented by a clean gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. This Tacoma continues to perform well, running strong with a fully functional drivetrain and 4-wheel drive capability.
It also features cold air conditioning and all major functions operating as they should.
Recent maintenance includes a complete tune-up along with a new timing belt and water pump, helping ensure continued reliability. The catalytic converter was replaced less than 2 years ago, and the truck recently passed a smog test with excellent results.
Number 5.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,200, single-owner pickup with relatively low mileage for its age. This truck has traveled just 105,000 original miles and is equipped with a V8 gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. Finished in green with a charcoal interior, the vehicle maintains a classic and clean appearance inside and out. The truck runs excellent and has been well maintained, showing no fluid leaks and remaining mechanically strong. It is also equipped with an ice-cold air conditioning system, making it comfortable for daily driving. The tires are in great condition, and the vehicle comes with a clean pink slip in hand with tags up to date, making it ready for its next owner.
Overall, this Dodge Ram represents a solid and reliable example of a late 1990s full-size pickup.
Number 6. 1994 Ford F-150, price $6,250, clean and well-maintained California truck powered by a reliable 4.9L engine paired with an automatic transmission. Being a California vehicle, it is completely rust-free and has been preserved in very good condition overall. The truck presents nicely and remains very clean, though it does show a few minor dents and small dings consistent with normal use. This pickup has been carefully maintained over the years, and documentation is available for the maintenance performed, including a rebuilt transmission. It also comes with a clean title currently in the owner's name, making it a solid and dependable classic truck with a strong maintenance history.
Number 7.
1993 Ford F-150, price $4,400. Dependable and rugged classic pickup that reflects the durability and practicality the F-Series trucks are known for. It is powered by a strong 5.0L V8 engine paired with rear-wheel drive, providing solid performance and reliable power whether used for daily driving, light hauling, or general work duties. The truck also comes equipped with working air conditioning, adding a level of comfort that makes it enjoyable to drive even on warmer days. Known for its simple and tough design, this F-150 represents the kind of straightforward, hard-working pickup that has made the model a longtime favorite among truck enthusiasts and workers alike.
The engine runs well and the truck drives as it should, showing the reliability these trucks are famous for. Number 8.
1991 Toyota pickup, price $4,500. It has accumulated 329,000 miles and is powered by the reliable 4-cylinder 22 or gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. The truck features a white exterior with a gray interior, giving it a clean and simple classic Toyota look. Everything is reported to be working properly, with the truck running 100% strong. The air conditioning works for both cold and hot settings, providing comfort in different weather conditions. It has also received new shock absorbers, and the tires are nearly new, contributing to a smoother and more stable ride. The engine runs well and the transmission shifts properly, making it a dependable daily driver or a solid work truck. The vehicle is being offered with a bill of sale only, and it does not have a title, although the VIN is clean.
Number 9.
1965 Ford F-150, price $7,800, classic 4x4 pickup equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline inline-six 300 engine paired with a 4-speed gearbox. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, giving it a distinctive vintage appearance. The current owner has had the truck for several years and has gradually worked on restoring and maintaining it. It includes a front-mounted winch with a remote, and whenever parts were removed, they were repainted or properly cleaned before being reinstalled. Recent work includes a brand new gas tank, new clutch, resurfaced flywheel, new throwout bearing, rear main seal, Flowmaster exhaust, and many replaced seals. The body is mostly solid steel, though it shows some surface rust and bubbling paint, rust on the hood, and minor rust in the floorboards. The roof and drip rails remain solid.
Number 10.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $2,700. The truck is presented in great overall condition with a tan exterior and matching tan interior. This two-door, two-wheel drive truck is powered by a reliable 3.0L Vulcan V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the engine was resealed in 2022 to help maintain solid performance. It has 290,000 actual miles and has been used primarily for local driving. As a Florida truck, it is reported to be rust-free. It features a 6-foot bed with a liner and a 2-inch hitch, making it practical for hauling or light towing. The radio works and is paired with upgraded JBL speakers. The AC needs a recharge, the tires show some wear, and the title is in hand.